Okay, I'm Amelia.
And I'm Kendra.
And we are Sisters Sans Gluten. Wow, we did it in the first take. That's amazing. Oh! What did I hit?
My nostril.
Oh my god, great
sharp nail.
Sorry. Oh my god. Okay, so today we're celebrating Easter early with 2 different continents worth of candy. And this one is a bunch of stuff I brought back from the UK. Gluten-free Easter candy and that treats. I could find and treats. There's apparently a lot more, so I'll be getting more when I go back. Since I'm here, we decided to do a little video. And the biggest thing as Americans is that they excuse me.
Englishmen.
The folks in the UK have very different Easter traditions than we do. So like most Americans I know, including ourselves, grew up with an Easter egg hunt, and then like the day before we would dye real hard-boiled Easter eggs, and then we'd fill plastic eggs with candy, and then you do an Easter egg hunt with those eggs. Yeah. And you'd have like an Easter basket, like the morning you wake up and you get your Easter basket that's filled with like big candy type of stuff. Yeah. Like Peeps and big chocolate bunnies.
Yeah, big chocolate bunnies.
Yeah, so that's what we're used to. And then I explained all this to my housemates in the UK and they were like, what? Apparently it's extremely different. There are no Easter egg hunts, as far as I know. Correct me if this is like other parts of the UK actually have Easter egg hunts, but according to them, there's no such thing as Easter egg hunts. They don't dye eggs. They don't fill plastic eggs. They only have giant Easter eggs. Yeah, like hollow giant eggs.
And then there's like smaller candies inside the chocolate egg.
Apparently it's not inside. Somebody commented and was like, oh, it's not inside, it's on the side. And I was like, well, that's not fun.
Is interesting.
I wanted to break in and have a bunch of candy.
It'd probably be harder to make.
It would be harder to make, that's true. So I got a selection. This one's fun because you can carry it around. So this one's a flake giant. This one's the biggest one. I brought this back in my suitcase, y'all. And then this is a medium egg. This is a large egg. This is a medium egg.
Chocolate buttons.
Yeah, I do like chocolate buttons a lot, so that's fun. This one is not an egg.
I'm very excited about this one.
This one
is Orloff.
Is a fancy one by Montezuma.
It's a chicken.
And it's a chicken.
A chocolate chicken.
It's literally a chocolate chicken named Orloff. Orloff? I kind of like Orloff.
Well, I mean, there's no A, so it's Orloff.
Orloff. Orloff.
Orloff.
He looks thrilled to be in a box right now. We're gonna eat him last. Side note, these are from a friend named Natalia, and she's amazing, and they smell really good, but Kendra's allergic.
That's why I'm sitting on this side of the table.
Okay, so we have those. We have mini eggs because those are a classic. I've eaten my weight in these already this year.
Not the Cadbury brand, but I mean, you can find
it is the Cadbury brand
like mini really?
Yeah, but Hershey purchased Cadbury. There's a cat. So there's that.
My child.
There's cream eggs.
The Cadbury cream eggs.
Cadbury cream eggs.
Still never had one before.
This will be exciting. I've had a bunch of these this year already in the UK. These ones are new, but it says they're gluten-free. They're Galaxy Enchanted eggs, so they're like crunchy caramel pieces, but not glutinous.
But then they're rolled in rose gold glitter.
Fancy.
For any of you bougie Easter lovers out there.
I think Orloff is the bougiest thing we have right now.
Maybe.
He's fancy. These I'm really excited for. These are the Terry's Chocolate Orange mini eggs. Everyone makes mini eggs.
Don't they make the Aero bubbly chocolate bars? Like, it's airy.
The bubbly chocolate.
It has bubble, like,
I don't know. They make chocolate oranges, like the chocolate orange, like the classic chocolate oranges. Okay. But they have these mini eggs.
That's fun.
And then these,
and then
I'm
sort
very
of
excited for.
The epitome of spring snack, which is the hot cross buns.
And each store has a different flavor. So I've tried these ones. They're orange with vine fruits. I really liked, this was Waitrose. I really like the Tesco one. But each store makes a different flavor. So this is the Waitrose gluten-free one. The Tesco one was really good. That was like a cinnamon apple hot cross bun. I really liked that.
That sounds good.
But I didn't go to Tesco before I left, so all I had was this.
Honestly,
so you're getting this.
Yeah.
It'll be fun. Okay, what are we gonna eat first? I think we should start with these because you've never had them. I mean...
Okay. I mean, I've had Cadbury things before, but I haven't had the cream egg.
Yeah, which is a classic.
I've also never had a Kinder egg or a Kinder Surprise egg.
Yeah, neither have I.
Mainly because
they're illegal.
Kinder Surprise eggs were banned.
Apparently that's more important to us than other things. Okay, so apparently everyone has a different way of eating.
What I like most about it
egg.
is that the inside looks kind of like an egg.
Well, that's the point.
Because it's like white and then like sort of like an orange color.
But it's all sugar. So everyone has a different way of eating it. So I'm gonna just let you eat it.
Just bite it into it.
Well, I mean, that's up to you.
What? How else would
My
you
roommates
eat it?
made me do this. They like
Would they
watched
cut
me
the
eat
top
one.
off or something? Or
You just eat it the way you think it should be eaten. It's harder to bite into than you think. See, that's how I would do it. So apparently there's a whole strategy because my housemates have different strategies. Some of them like to bite closer to like the top of the egg and then you lick out the center. But you don't want to bite too far down because then you eat too much of the center already.
see, that's like, those are the people who take apart the Oreos, eat the filling, and then eat the cookie part. I'm not about that life. I don't have time for that.
Okay, what is your strategy for eating
put the
a
whole
cream
thing in
egg?
your mouth.
That's huge.
I may have a small mouth, but I have big eyes.
Oh my god. Okay, so yeah, I would just bite the top, but I also have a weird jaw, so like I have to be careful. They also make smaller ones of these, which are more fun, because then you can eat multiple of them. If you eat one whole one of these, it's like, that was a lot of sugar.
Yeah.
It's a lot of sugar.
The center is basically, it just tastes like sugar. There's not a flavoring or anything, it's just sugar.
It's pure sugar.
So it is kind of a bit much for me.
It's good.
But yeah, the inside is very fun because it does look like an egg. But yeah,
I can only eat one of these at a time.
now if I was a kid, I would eat
The whole
ones.
We have 2 packs. Let's try these.
The orange
These are
ones.
the Terry's chocolate orange mini eggs, but they're
Wonder-
white chocolate.
I hope they look like they show. Oh, they do.
Whoa! They're like tiny carrots.
They almost look like, coated almonds or
I
something.
forgot to do our boop.
Belated boop.
Belated boop. Oh, yours is a mess. Boop.
Thanks.
Mine, it looks
Just
fine.
like my life. But they do look
mine.
like just starting to grow little carrot.
Yeah, little
babies.
carrot nubbins.
Little carrot nubbins.
Okay, let's try them. Let's try them. Boop.
That's very
I love
orangey.
Terry's chocolate orange. But I like those a
They
lot.
would be my first choice.
Oh, those are good.
They're very orangey.
Oh, I like that. Whoa.
They're sort of like M&M's, how they have this sort of
Candy
hard
coating.
candy coating on the outside and then sort of softer chocolate on the inside. Let's do the medium egg.
Oh, compromise.
Let's
okay.
work our way up. So this one,
I'm so excited for these.
I really
There's
hope
so
that
many
the
of these in
thing,
the store.
so okay, oh wait, hold on.
I feel like
hold
I'm
on.
Charlie in the Chocolate Factory.
Hold on. So the buttons
Give
were
me
not
an egg.
in the egg,
See, they're outside.
which
That's
makes
not
me
what I would have
sad.
expected. I would have expected them to be inside the egg.
Because I mean, they're obviously doing it in 2 pieces, and then they put the 2 pieces together.
So
to
why
make the
not
one
put
egg.
stuff in it?
So why can't they put the?
I don't get it.
It's
I don't get
sad.
it. It's sad. Okay, this is exciting. It also is kind of like an Easter football.
So I know it's just gonna be chocolate,
But it's
just gonna
Cadbury
be
chocolate. so
plain
that's good.
chocolate. I feel like they're both gonna taste the same.
Oh, it has like patterns. That's cute.
There's a little chick coming out of an egg, and
Oh.
it says Happy Easter. It just pops open.
What?
And then you can pour your buttons
Oh,
in.
is that what you're supposed to do? I don't
have no
actually know what
idea.
we're supposed to do with these. Do we just eat them? I feel
Half
I'm-
for
oh,
me and half
Those
for
are
you.
tiny buttons. It's a giant buttons.
No.
No, it didn't. Never mind. Maybe that's the big egg. You get giant buttons with big egg. These are the tiniest buttons. If y'all haven't had chocolate buttons, you're missing
They're
out.
just tiny little flat
They
drops.
melt really easily too. Careful. Yep. Feed those all day.
I feel like Cadbury chocolate melts really easily, so like I don't want to hold it for very long
Look, it's my
because it's
face.
already feeling like it's melting in my hand.
Oh, new mask idea. You could like eat it as you walk.
Testing.
Darth Vader Easter edition.
Hello, I'm your father.
I'm gonna collect all my chocolate in my little egg.
That's a good idea. It's a little container to
Yeah.
hold your stuff.